Looking for Valentines because we waited until the very last second. Look at dots and stuff. Look at these, Winston. Those are so cute.
What are they?
They're chocolates, emoji chocolates. Cute. Winston, look. Winston.
Winston, look.
Winston. Captain Underpants. You want to do those? And then you can pick out a treat to go with them.
Should I put my present in here?
I don't know.
It won't fit.
Mommy,
So cute though.
It's really cute, but I don't think it will work. Yeah, you can get those, and then you give them to your friends, and then they give you one. Now you can pick out a treat. Do you want to give them suckers, or chocolates, or more suckers?
Look how cute this is.
You want those ones?
It's
like really
cute. The gumballs.
Super cute.
And this is me.
No, you're gonna give those too. You get to keep some of them, and then you get to give your friends some. Oh yeah, I like those.
Talk nerdy.
Talk nerdy to me.
Oh, they're glow sticks. Like the bugs are glowy.
Look at the
cool.
inside.
Super
It's like the thing. Yeah. Cute.
Oh, I need to get it.
Hello everybody, I hope you guys are having a good day. I know I am.
I know I am.
I'm just getting ready. We have cheer pictures today. My makeup's not all the way done, by the way. That's why I look like really powdery.
I know, it's always kind of weird when you just have foundation on though.
But yeah, so.
Brailee has cheer pictures, so we're doing her
Guys, do you like my pose?
Yes. I vote that one for sure.
Okay.
So Brailee, like when they perform or anything, is required to wear the makeup that we put on her. I've seen in the comments like, why does she have so much makeup on? It's because she has to.
Because it's fun. Like, have you guys never done like dance and just gotta wear so much makeup? That was my favorite thing about dance when I was little.
With the makeup.
Yeah.
So we're just doing makeup here. I'm gonna see if I can prop this up on something.
All of it.
Okay. We did bronzer on one side, so we're just gonna bronze up this side.
This smells so good. I want to eat it.
It's this
Peach.
sweetie pie. I really do like this.
Did you know that the eyeshadow tastes? So the peachy eyeshadow from Too Faced, that tastes, and so does the chocolate one.
Yeah.
And so does the peanut butter and jelly one. My friend's mom has it.
Oh,
and
really?
We were in her house and I was like, try it. So we both tried it. It was really funny.
Bronze up the neck.
Bronze it up. The funny thing is like when someone's putting a lipstick on you and they're like showing you what to do with your mouth. My mom does that a lot.
What?
Like, you're putting like lipstick on me, you're like telling me what to do, like rubbing it in.
This. Like, do this.
We're required to wear black eyeshadow and red lipstick, but I don't normally do that. So.
I don't normally do black. I just cannot do it.
I mean, it looks really cute from like off stage, but then if you're like taking pictures with them after, it looks so weird.
Yeah, we definitely don't need to do that for pictures though.
Yeah.
So we'll just do a pretty like bronzy eye. This is like one of my very favorite palettes.
It's
Marc
so
Jacobs.
pretty.
I like this one because it's just like one palette has everything. Like all the colors that I have.
Last year for cheer pictures, I did a weird pose, and like I was like sitting on the ground, and my skirt went up so you could like see my butt, and so I decided not to sit on the ground anymore.
We really should have waxed your eyebrows.
I tried shaving them. I shaved off like half my eyebrow.
Yeah, don't do that. She also tried to keep that a secret, which she did do for a while, and then who noticed?
Tasha.
We've only waxed Brailee's eyebrows once. We bought wax again to do it, but
We've done it.
I don't wax my eyebrows very often though. Okay. Candy Johnson's eyeliner. Hey, you have to hold really still. Do you need to put the camera down?
Yes.
We'll be back. All right. Eyes are done. I like this eyeliner. I like to use
So
this one because it
pretty.
is very black.
I
I
love
kind of got
that
it like a
one.
little more winged on that side. Whatever, it's fine. Last thing I'm gonna do is a little highlight. I love this one. Peach Glow is my favorite. Just for the tops of Brailee's cheeks. And then she'll do lipstick right before she goes.
We should do like a cheer makeup like routine.
Oh, a tutorial, like
Yeah,
get ready with
tutorial.
me.
Yeah.
Lipstick.
This is from last year.
Carly
It's
always
from my
says
best
that
friend.
the girls need to wear lip scents, and I agree.
Yeah.
Be
It
much
doesn't
better.
rub off.
I might have some. I'll look. Or like dark enough.
Yeah.
So I know I have lighter colors, but I'll look for the darker colors. Brailee has a berry lip scent.
yellow.
What did we put on top of it? Bombshell on top. It's pretty. Let's see.
I like it kind of matches, see?
I know it does. I like it.
Not really.
So that is
It
Brailee's
works.
makeup for pictures. So we need to hurry and go. And we're gonna go pick Winston up. All of us, we're going as a family. Winston will be so excited. No.
I just want to see if it comes off.
No. Winston had school today and he can stay longer if he wants to. I always give him the option. And he usually wants to stay because at the end of the day they watch a movie together. And he always wants to stay to watch the movie. So that's why he's been there all day. I always hate when I don't get a ton done when he's there all day long. And today was definitely a day I didn't get much done besides like I did get a video up, but I just don't feel good. And Layla hasn't felt good, I've mentioned, and so she hasn't been sleeping, and I am just wiped out. Like, just wiped out. So I get a lot done today, but they're finishing my office. I'm gonna go check and see what they're doing, and then hopefully I'll show you guys the finished doors and everything. No, you can't have your phone back. I took this one away. How was school? Good. What were you just doing?
I don't know.
You don't know? Were you doing this? Making your tongue stronger? Good job.
I didn't do that.
I heard you. Are you looking for something, Gage? I like that hat. That's the same hat that I picked out for Grandpa. Look at those little baby feet. Cutie, cutie. Look who's home. Who's home?
Hi.
We just picked Winston up from preschool and his teacher said that he was the best kid today. Everyone was having a bad day except for Winston. So we're letting him get a little ice cream cone. And I'm getting myself a little milkshake for raising
Winston?
a child that's so good. I'm just kidding. I brought my couch cushion to see if the dry cleaner could fix it and help me, and they said they do not do that anymore. So I might be on my own for this. What am I gonna do? If you have any suggestions, please leave them all. Winston, come here.
I wanted to put on my door.
You watched that at your school? I'm so happy that you're talking so loud because I can't hear you.
Huh?
Come here. What kind of ice cream cone did you get?
Duck.
Did you eat it all?
Even the stick.
Even the stick, he said. Even the cone, that's the cone. What?
The bangers too.
The painters? They're not.
What are they doing up there?
They're not painting any. They're putting the door on. Did you see it? They're putting the door on Mommy's office.
Is this just one door?
And there will be two that slide together.
Oh.
Very cool.
Are they
I can't
just
wait.
doing one right now?
Huh?
Are they just doing one right now?
I have no idea what they're doing right now.
Gager, can you give me a solid? Can you give me a Sharpie plug-in?
Good luck.
Where do they
Finding-
always go?
I don't know. You know what I want to do? Right over here we have all of these outlets. I want to change them to the ones that just the cord, just this part plugs into. Because we can't ever find like the other part. And just have a little plug-in station here. I mentioned in the last vlog that I put up that I ordered something really special for my mom and my grandma, sisters, and my aunt. And it just got here and I'm so excited. I haven't looked at it yet. They're in there. I'm super excited. This is cute. Packaging too. So this is the same company that made my silhouettes of my kids that hang on my wall that I need to get up right there. And I also need to get another one made with Layla. But these are necklaces. I'll show you what I put on them. This turned out even better than I thought it was going to. I mean, I knew that it would be beautiful because these guys do such amazing work. But that is my Grandpa Sam, who just passed away, and I thought that this would be a really special thing to give to everyone to be able to wear. And I know everyone's still like having a hard time. We loved Grandpa so much, and so I just thought that that would be such a neat thing to have. So if they normally do like your children, which is so pretty too, so you can get these made of your kids' silhouettes, and they do different, you can cut them out in different ways, but I just saw this on Instagram one day and thought that would be so awesome to do with my grandpa. So I hope that everyone loves it. Did you see that, Gager?
Yeah. Oh. Yeah.
You tell that's Grandpa Sam with his cowboy hat on?
Yeah.
You think Grandma will love that?
Yes.
I'm gonna put mine on right now. That one's actually mine. So you can pick if you want like gold or silver or rose gold. And I love gold, so I got myself a gold one, and then I got some other colors for everyone else to choose from.
Good.
There it is. I love that so much. I do want to have some made of my kids too. And you can do like bracelets. You can also do like couples, so like you and your husband kissing. Should we do that?
Mm-hmm.
You know, you can do all sorts of things.
Wait, they sent
They
you
do such a great job. I'll just clean them.
Yes.
Very full.
Important.
I love that.
Sent you a napkin. That's nice.
Ah! So happy.
Use
Layla. Hi, sis.
silver.
We're having some beans and rice. And boogers. Brailee did her hair. It's cute. We're doing Valentines.
Edie.
And not gonna lie, it hasn't been fun. Winston is not in a good mood. And
Can you do W right here?
I need to go. I need to go
Can you
to
watch?
Thought we were getting it done.
Oh wow.
And then what's wrong?
So Gage went with the basketball players, and Winston
two,
went with
Evie,
Captain
let's write
Underpants,
Evie.
and Brailee's doing a Valentine's for her boyfriend. Well, that's a good idea. So we need to do this, but right now we need to put your
You know
box
Liam?
together.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do Liam.
Hey, Layla, I have a question for you. Will you be my Valentine?
I asked her and she shook her head up.
And she said no. Say yes.
Dad,
Layla, say yes.
are these guys?
Two.
Yes. Show me.
No. Are these
Are you so shy? Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
You show me no. No. You show me more?
You know Molly?
More. There you go. Good job,
You know
sister.
Molly?
Good job. No. No.
Ready?
Can you say yes?
And
Want to get out? Yes. Okay. Let's get out. Yes.
no.
You are too darn cute.
Molly.
All right. Wish
You know
us luck.
Piper?
It's a little hectic. Sometimes you just go that way. Like you want it to be like this really fun night because Valentine's Day is so fun. And then
Why?
it's just crazy and you just want to say, never mind, going to bed. That's how it's been.
Good job, Piper.
We're gonna get it done.
Okay, let's
We're making a football field here. So we got this storage box and we got some tissue paper to make the grass, and then I had these field goals from a brand that I did. They came in a box for with my Get Ready With Me, and we're gonna try to make this happen. Oh, we also got white chalk markers because Gage insisted that they were white. Yeah. So, okay, open this up. Are you helping me, Layla? Layla's trying to push every single button on here. Okay, so you need to decide where do you want people to put their where do you want people to put the Valentines? Do you want them like right in the middle?
I was thinking maybe on no. Let's do it right in the middle.
Right in the middle? Okay, be really careful.
Is that in the middle?
Yeah. I mean, whatever.
Jace.
Maybe move your arm away from the, yeah, there you go.
Let's write the rest of them. Here we go. That's all.
Good job. Okay, and then we just got this tissue paper. I don't know if this is gonna work or what's gonna happen, but I believe in us.
Asher?
Huh?
Oh, do we need this enough?
We might just leave it out just in case. Do you think that that's big enough? Go grab your sucker and see if it would fit in there. What if the sucker's gonna fit, then you didn't get a sucker? That would be the worst.
Kensington. You know Kensington?
Did it go in? Yeah. Okay, cool. So we're just gonna take Mod Podge and I'm going to do a thin layer on the box. Gage wanted me to do it. So I'm gonna put the Mod Podge on and then he's going to put the paper on.
I just don't believe in myself.
You stop it. Don't say
I
that or
just
I'll
like-
make you do it. I'll put the Mod Podge on. He just doesn't want to get it on there too thick. And then you can put this on and then we'll smooth it out because it has lines in it. All right, the field is ready. We're gonna let this dry while Gage works on his Valentines, and then I'm just gonna let him take over. So We're gonna just try to glue these little filled goals on here. Hopefully they stay on. We might have to like cut a little hole in them and put them inside, but it'll be very cool. They actually say Walmart. It's kind of funny. And then he's just gonna do like the filled lines or whatever. I don't really know football, but whatever he needs to do. And then he's gonna cut this out and it will be all ready to go. Or whatever else he wants to do. I'm just gonna let him take over from here. I just wanted to help him get the grass on.